Hey travelers! Have you ever dreamed of stepping onto a private jet, settling into plush leather seats, and jet-setting to an exotic destination in supreme luxury? As a frequent private flyer myself, I'm here to give you an inside look into this elite world and how you too can make private aviation part of your lifestyle. While it seems out of reach, private jet travel is more accessible than you may think if you know the tricks of the trade. In this video, I'll walk through what makes the private jet experience so special, insider tips for affording chartered flights, and fabulous destinations that are perfect to visit by private plane. Let's jump right into the world of private aviation. Your jet-set future awaits. So what exactly makes flying private so desirable compared to regular commercial flights? Here are the main perks. Save huge amounts of time with faster check-in, security, and flight times. No more wasting hours in airports. Customized itineraries, go where you want, when you want with ultimate flexibility. 5-star onboard service and gourmet catering. Flying feels like an upscale restaurant. Spacious, elegant cabins with maximum legroom, swivel seats, and designer amenities you just can't get on airlines. Privacy and exclusivity, avoid crowds and lines. It's like owning your own plane. Luxurious ground transportation, limos whisk you directly from jet to destination in style. Put simply, it's the ultimate convenient, comfortable, and glamorous way to fly anywhere in the world. And with the right knowledge, it can be easier to access than you may think. While renting a private jet starts around $3,000 per flight hour, there are lots of ways to cut costs and make it accessible to most budgets. Book one-way empty leg flights. Take advantage of repositioning legs already flying to your destination at huge discounts. Join a jet card membership program for reduced fixed hourly rates and only pay for occupied hours. Find a high-end charter broker to access luxury jets globally at competitive market prices. Opt for a turboprop or very light jet. Their smaller size equals smaller price tag. Look into seat sharing. Jet pooling allows you to split costs for a private charter. Fly midweek when airport fees are lower. Avoid peak weekends. Book a broker that price matches quotes. Leverage the best rate. With insider knowledge and a little strategizing, you too can afford to travel in ultimate luxury and comfort on a private jet, even on a moderate budget. Exciting destinations to visit by private jet. One of the biggest perks of private aviation is being able to access hard-to-reach destinations not served by major airlines. Here are some top spots I recommend experiencing by private jet. French Polynesia. Fly straight to this remote paradise without multiple connections. Land right in Bora Bora's lagoon by seaplane for ultimate luxury. Caribbean islands. Island hop around the Caribbean and touch down at tiny airports such as St. Bart's. African safaris. Bypass connections through major hubs and go direct to private bush airstrips in Kenya's Masai Mara. Greece. Skip crowded Athens and fly to secluded Aegean Sea islands like Santorini and Mykonos. Maldives. Fly non-stop over the remote Indian Ocean direct to your ocean over water villa. Galapagos Islands. Reach these ecologically fragile islands faster with a private charter flight. Iceland. Avoid icy runways at congested airports and land at exclusive private airfields. Private aviation opens your horizons. Visit multiple destinations in far-flung locales in comfort and at your own pace. The world is truly yours by private jet. Living the jet-set lifestyle beyond the convenience and luxury of flights. Embracing private aviation means joining a lifestyle of glamour, exclusivity, and excitement. Let me paint the picture. You're picked up by a limo service at home and whisked straight to the private airport lounge. While sipping champagne, you relax in plush sofas and talk travel plans with vibrant fellow jet-setters from around the world. You stroll right onto the tarmac and board your luxuriously appointed private jet, just you and your chosen companions, no one else, where an onboard chef has prepared your favorite meals. As you jet across the globe, you gaze out the window at sunsets above the clouds and enjoy full sleep on board on flatbed seats. No cramped airliner experience here. You land refreshed right at your resort or villa destination, met by staff eager to cater to your every need. Your bags appear, you breeze through customs, and you're off on an amazing adventure. This elite lifestyle awaits by simply deciding to make private aviation your chosen means of travel. You control your own exclusive journey. Does living the jet set dream appeal to you? Let me know in the comments your favorite thing about private jets and the faraway places you dream of visiting in such luxury. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, I hope you get a taste for what private jet travel can offer. The skies are calling.